Hi, garden friend. Today I'm in Halloween Town. Now, this is St. Helens, Oregon, where they actually filmed the Disney movie Halloween Town over 25 years ago. I'm going to show you how they transformed this charming and quaint city into Halloween Town every year. Then we can hop over to the nursery and find some beautiful fall color and some styling ideas for your fall front porch. It's wet, it's windy, it's perfect. So if you're ready, let's go, shall we? Look at these pumpkin people. Wow, that is so creative. Now, this is the Columbia Theater, and if you're a Halloween Town fan, this place is legendary. This is where they filmed the movie's dance scene with Debbie Reynolds. In fact, she actually pulled a muscle while filming the scene right here. Check out all these attention to details with this spider web on this bus stop sign. And what about this witch? She's all the way on top of a building. Wow. And speaking of movie history, there's Benny's cab. In the movie, this taxi is driven by Benny the Skeleton, a character with terrible jokes, but a good heart. He's the one who drives the kids around Halloween Town when they first arrive. The mayor, Calabar, whistles for his cab, and Benny shows up cracking corny skeleton puns. Do you remember? This cab has been well preserved, and it looks just like it did in the movie Halloween Town. And coming up is going to be the star of the show, the Great Pumpkin. Now, this is the center square, and the massive jack-o'-lantern sits right in front of the courthouse in the town's center square. And if you've seen the movie, you know this pumpkin is a big deal. In Halloween Town, this giant pumpkin is what keeps the magic alive. When Marnie places the talisman inside it at the end of the film, it lights up and it breaks the villain's curse, saving everyone. Every October, St. Helens hosts a pumpkin lighting ceremony where they illuminate this replica. It becomes a tradition. Families gather here to watch the great pumpkin glow, just like in the movie. Of course, there's other scary pumpkins along the way before we get to the great pumpkin. However, there it is, the Great Pumpkin, sitting in front of the Columbia County Courthouse. Wow, that thing is massive. It really makes an impression on a person if you've never seen it before. Don't forget to watch to the end of the video. That's where I show you how I style my front porch. This Halloween display is really incredible, and this quaint and charming town of St. Helens, Oregon really outdoes themselves every single year for the celebration of this movie, Halloween Town. It's a really good time with witches, ghouls, goblins. Look at all these scary jack-o'-lanterns too. Somebody does a great job with this display. It's definitely looking super scary out here. And it's wet and rainy and windy too. It's fantastic. Now let's head out to the nursery. What a beautiful sight. The pumpkin patch is really popular today, and I'm going to show you around a little bit. I hope you enjoy what you see. Hopefully it's inspiring. What a charming display of Halloween decor, but there's also plenty of flowers still in bloom. This looks like it's the tail end of the cosmos. Aren't those beautiful there? I'm surprised that they're still blooming this late in the season, but we have had a pretty pleasant fall so far. But look at all these ornamental grasses and those beautiful rudbeckia or black-eyed Susans, and a terrific place to have a seat and relax. Looks like there's also some sedums, possibly autumn joy. But look at how full and beautiful these plants look. I can't believe it's this late in the season and they're still doing so well. Are you planning on planting any bulbs soon? I sure am, and I plan on doing a bulb planting video in the next couple of weeks. I hope you'll join me for that. But look at this assortment of bulbs. These decorating ideas really look wonderful. I hope this has inspired you for some of your own decorating ideas. I mean, there's so many decorating ideas to choose from. Sometimes if it's just pumpkins or these inflatable animated characters and ghosts and goblins. There's a lot to pick from. It's pretty windy out today. Look at those cornfields. It looks like the weather's cleared off for a minute. What a great day for a fall drive out among the pumpkins. And here's how I've styled my home. It's fun, it's whimsical, with ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns, and pumpkins, and even a flower arrangement. I hope this has inspired you for some of your fall decorating ideas today. I hope you're having a great gardening day. Happy Halloween, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.